All right, so today we're gonna do two algebra work rate problems. I went on ChatGPT and searched up give me two work rate problems. So I'm gonna show you guys how to solve these. Okay, so the first one, two painters, John and Sarah, are working together to paint a room. John can paint the room in 6 hours while Sarah can paint the room in 9 hours. How long will it take them to paint the room if they work together? So the first thing we got to do is John can paint the room in 6 hours. So we know in 1 hour, we want to break it down. We want to fully break this down. In 1 hour, John, let me get the right pen. Go. 1 second, y'all. I got to set this. I got to move this iPad in a good area. Okay. In 1 hour, John, I'm just going to use Joe. In 1 hour, John is able to do one out of six because he can paint the room in 6 hours. So in 1 hour, he does 1 out of 6 of the job. Sarah, going to use S, can paint the room in 9 hours. So she does 1/9 of the job in 1 hour. How long will it take them to paint the room if they work together? So we want to add this, add Joe and Sarah. So 1/6 plus 1/9. You got to get common denominators when you're adding fractions. So we're going to multiply. Boom, boom, boom. We are going to do, what's the common number? Common denominator is 18. So we're going to do 9 times 2. So we're going to make the common denominator we're going to make is 18. Over here, what you do to the bottom, you got to do the top. So that gets us 3 over 18 plus 2 over 18 equals 5 over 18. So we got 5 over 18 right now. We're not done with the problem. We added them together, which is great. But now it's 5 over 18, and we're gonna let x equal how many hours. We're gonna let x equal how long it will take them to finish the job. So we're gonna 5 out of 18. 5 over 18, we're gonna multiply that by x. 5 out of 18 times x, so we're going to do equals 1 because they're only doing one job. How do we get x by itself? We're going to multiply it by 18 over 5. Multiply it by 18 over 5. So we got x equals 18 over 5. And this is your answer right here. How long will it take them to paint the room if they work together? What is 18 divided by 5? 1 second. Let me look that up real quick. 18 divided by 5 is 3.6. So you can either use 18 over 5, or you can do or 3.6. So how long will it take them to paint the room if they work together? 3.6 hours or 18 over 5 is your answer for number 1. Okay, so here's the second problem. A pump can fill a tank in 4 hours. A second pump can fill the same tank in 6 hours. If both pumps are working together, how long will it take to fill the tank? Once again, we're just breaking it down. So a pump can fill a tank in 4 hours. So in 1 hour, it gets 1 out of 4 done. And this is the first pump. So we're just going to put first, F for first. A second pump can fill the same tank in 6 hours. So second pump, this is the second pump. and it fills 1 out of 6 in 1 hour. If both pumps are working together, how long will it take to fill the tank? Both pumps are working together, so we got to add these. So 1/4 plus 1/6. We got to get a common denominator. So common denominator 4 and 6 is 12. So I'm going to multiply 4 times 3. Whatever I do at the bottom, I got to do the top. Multiply 6 times 2. 3 times 1 is 3. 4 times 3 is 12. Plus 2 times 1 is 2. Over 6 times 2 is 12. Equals 5 over 12. That's great. And then I'm going to let x equal how long it will take if both pumps are working together. So let x be the number of both tanks. So we got 5 out of 12. We multiply that by x. A pump can fill a tank in 4 hours. A second pump can fill the same tank in 6 hours. So we know we're just filling up one tank. So 5 out of 12 times x equals 1. How do we get x by itself? We got to multiply 5 over 12 by the reciprocal. 12 over 5. X equals, so 12 over 5 times 12 over 5. X equals 12 over 5. And then let me see, what's 12 divided by 5? I'm doing that real quick. Give me 1 second. 12 divided by 5 is 2.4. 12 divided by 5 is 2.4. So x equals 2.4 or 12 over 5. It could be 2.4 hours or 12 over 5 hours. So yeah, the answer, x equals 2.4 or x equals 12 over 5. And that is it. Hopefully y'all learned something. Hopefully I was able to explain it well. If not, let me know in the comments. I'll do another one and I'll just try to do a better job. And that's it. Have a good one.